So, good afternoon. In today's class, I'll be showing us how to use Power Query inside Power BI to clean your data. How to use Power Query inside Power BI in cleaning of data. Power Query is also present inside Excel, so you can also use Power Query inside Excel to clean your data, and not only that, to also match your sheet and to also append your sheet. So it's kind of an amazing tool inside Power BI. Let's go. So our plan is to move from this to this. You can see this is a clean file that we use Power Query to clean. This is the initial file. You can see it's very messy and dirty, having null values, having empty rows. Now this is what it looked like after cleaning. You see, it's very clean. So let's go and do that. Good afternoon. Today I will be showing us how to clean data using Power Query. As the name implies, Power Query is very powerful. So let's go. So the first thing, okay. Okay, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, I'll be showing you how to use Power Query to clean your data in Power BI. As the name implies, Power Query is very powerful. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Power BI, right? I will go to Get Data. Power Query is present inside Power BI, or I can say Power Query is embedded inside Power BI. So the first thing I'm going to do is to import my file. So this is my file. So it's importing. So this is showing that my file has 3 sheets. Says that it has data, location, and product. So for me to import it into my Power BI, so I will load it to Power Query. I will first check it and I will click on transform data. Don't click on load. If you click on load, it means your data is clean and you are not sure if your data is clean. So the best thing to do is to first click on transform data and see if you have a messy data or not. But if you click on load, it means you are sure that your data is clean. So I'll click on transform data. So let's see. Okay, this one is clean, but the color is not showing the product and image URL. So let's see for data. Oh, I have to. Okay, I'll delete this one. So the first one is Datasens Adidas, right? You can see it's very dirty. Some are having a blank space. You can see valid 99%. And for you to have a clean data, your valid must be 100%. And not only that, your column too must have header. But this one is not having header. So the file is messy, it's dirty. So the first thing to do is to go to, okay, let's look at the column, the date. Okay, date is correct, but we have some rows that are empty. So what I'm going to do is to go to remove row. So I'll go to remove row, then I'll click remove top rows, because my plan is to remove these top rows. If I click remove bottom rows, it means my file or the rows that I want to clean is at the bottom of my files. So I'll click on remove top row. So I will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. So I'll write 4. You can see. Specify how many rows to remove from the top. Number of rows 4. So I'll click OK. You can see those 4 have disappeared and the empty is now 0%. And look at the right hand side of the Power Query. There's something we call apply step. What is the function of this apply step? It is showing you every step you have taken in cleaning the data. Every step I took is reflecting here. If I cancel this one now, remove top row, you will see it's back. So every step I took in cleaning the data is reflecting here. So let me do it again. Remove rows, remove top row, 4. Okay. Now, and there's something again that you have to fix. The column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are not my main column. These are the main column. Header, retailer ID, invoice date. These are the column header. So how do I do this? I will go to the ribbon and look for use first row as header. I'll click it. Now it has changed. So now the location key is giving us both city and state. How do I separate this? You know, in Excel, if you want to separate it, that will be text to column, right? But in Power Query, I will go to split column by delimiter. I will now use, okay, since I cannot find it here, space is not space, custom. I'll pick custom, then I will write it here, hyphen, then I'll click OK. I've not highlighted the column. So this is the column that I want to split. So I will have state and city. So I will come here, I will say split column by delimiter. Okay. Now you see the states are splitted into two columns. I have state and city. So I will rename it state and city. I will delete this one. Move. Okay. Now everything is correct. The invoice date is correct. The product is correct. The price per unit. Because I'm dealing with price, I will come here, I will use fixed decimal number because we are dealing with price. Everywhere I have money related column, I will change it to price to fix it. Decimal number, sorry. And also operating profit, I will change it to fixed decimal number. Correct. Then what again? That's it. That is correct. I will go to location and see if there's any error. Here we have empty, 5 empty, 3 empty. So let's fix that once and for all. Remember, we have some columns, some rows that are empty. So I'll go to remove rows, top rows. So I'll count it 1, 2, 3 again. Then that's correct. But the header column is not showing here. Rather, we are having column 1, column 2, column 3. That's not good. So for me to have this region, state, city, and location key, I will have to do it this way. I will come to use first role as header. Correct. Then also products, same thing applies here too. I will go to use header as first role. So everything is clean. You can see everything is not showing 100%. That's how you use Power Query to clean your data inside Power BI. So I will now do close and apply. I wait for my next video on how you can use PowerPoint to develop or design your Canva background in Power BI. So it's loading. Correct. Now I'll show you my table. and you see that everything is now clean. You see, everything is now clean. There is no error again. Thank you. Do have a great day.